These skeleton shorts are getting millions of views right now, and creators are cashing out massively on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I analyzed multiple channels posting these types of shorts, and today, I'm breaking down exactly how to replicate them step by step, completely using AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact script formula they use. So let's get started by opening ChatGPT. What you need to do is copy my ready-made master prompt and paste it without changing anything. Instantly, you'll receive a reply asking you to select between 3 different options, and there's a reason for that. Based on my research, I discovered 2 major topics that are dominating this niche. The first one is, what if videos like what if you could fly, or what if you walked non-stop? The second one is occupation versus occupation, comparing which profession makes the most money. But of course, those aren't the only topics. If you already have your own idea in mind, you can simply select option 3 and insert your own topic. For now, though, I'm selecting option 2. Once you do that, you'll immediately see examples of video titles you can create. You can either choose one of them or type your own if you already have something specific in mind. In my case, I'm going to select one of the provided options. Now this is where things get really interesting. You'll receive a full scene-to-scene breakdown that you can use directly for your video. And one thing I absolutely love about this system is that it gives you a voiceover script for each scene, right at the end of every section. That alone makes the editing process a lot easier and more organized. Copy the first visual prompt and open Flow AI. Create a new project. Switch the option to Create Image. Paste your prompt. Select your aspect ratio and choose the number of images. Personally, I usually generate 2 images so I can have options to choose from. Also, make sure the model is set to Nano Banana Pro. Then, upload the reference image. I left the prompt to generate that reference image in the description, so make sure you use it. After that, generate your images. As you can see, the second result looks much cleaner, so I'm going to download that one. Next, I will click here so that my reference image will be uploaded. Then I will paste my second prompt and click on Generate. And once again, you can see that the second image looks much closer to what we're aiming for. Each skeleton is wearing the correct outfit for their profession, and everything looks more aligned with our concept. So I'll select that one as well. Now, simply repeat this same process all the way to the final scene. Go back to the very first image you generated. You'll notice an option that says Add to Prompt. Once that's clicked, you can see it automatically appears in the prompt section, ready to be used as a base for animation. From here, switch the mode from image generation to frame to video. At this stage, you have 2 choices. You can either paste the exact same image generation prompt you used earlier, or you can type a more customized motion description like I did here to give it a slightly different feel. For the model, I'm selecting Veo 3, and to avoid wasting credits, I'll go with a single generation option. After a few moments, the video is ready. You can see how smoothly the animation brings the skeleton scene to life. Once it looks good, download it directly to your device. And from here, it's simply about repetition. You go through the same process for every single generated image, transforming each one into its own animated scene until your entire sequence is complete. The next thing we focus on is the voiceover. Head back to ChatGPT and type a simple command like, "Give me the voiceover from each scene." And just like that, it's ready exactly the way you need it. Now it's time to bring those words to life. Use any text-to-speech AI tool you're comfortable with and generate the narration. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your content, something engaging, clear, and expressive enough to keep viewers watching until the end. Once your voiceover is ready, bring everything into CapCut. Import all your generated video clips and your audio files, then start aligning each scene carefully with its corresponding narration. Let the voice guide the pacing. Add captions to boost retention and accessibility. And once everything is aligned, polished, and flowing smoothly from scene to scene, export it. And just like that, your masterpiece is ready.
2 professions. 1 powerful question. When it comes to money, who really earns more? The life-saving doctor or the life-shaping teacher? Both paths demand years of sacrifice. Doctors spend nearly a decade.
AI content is moving fast. Don't get left behind. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.